Hello and welcome to my review of the Fuji XT3 and the 18 to 55 2.8 f4R LMOIS lens. Actually, I should start again and say it's not a review, it's an unboxing. So let's see what we get. Right, the usual paperwork, the book, and then lo and behold the camera in a nice protective bag. I've come from the Nikon D850, which was an incredible camera, very, very good. But I just found that I wasn't using the megapixels and the weight of the camera, and I just fancied something a bit smaller. I'd had an X-T2 before, and got rid of it and got the D500 Nikon and the 850. But I've decided to go away from Nikon and go to mirrorless. I was looking at the Z6, Z7 Nikon and the Canon mirrorless, but one memory card just don't do it for me. If you're going to do paid, which I do now and again, you're going to get problems with just a single card. So hence I've plumbed for the XT3. As I remember the XT2, very, very similar, nice. And the thing that draws me to this is the dials on the top, which is nice to be able to just set what you want and then lock it down, and it's not moving at all. And also your exposure compensation on the top. Plus it's got the flip screen, which is an added bonus, ideal for a bit of street photography. If you're going to sit and look down at the screen and then just take some pictures, you know, they don't really know what's going on. And then plus you've got the added benefit of the flip and tilt up. So portrait shooting, you could be taking a picture like that, which is very good. As with all Fuji, really well made, very well made in fact. Weather sealed. You've got your mic jacks and your HDMI in the side. I think you can actually charge the battery in the camera. I haven't had a really good look at that yet, but I should have, you know, it seems to be good. And lo and behold, 2 camera slots for SD, which is fine. I won't be shooting video on this, so I won't really need the high speed cards. I'm actually shooting this on a brand new XT100 F, which I also bought today. I just got rid of the D850, the 1635 and the 24-70-2.8 and basically done a straight swap for the XT3 with the kit lens and the X100 F and the 16mm 1.4 WR lens, which I also owned before and is a stunning lens. But as I say, you've got your battery compartment there. Remember, it's totally weather sealed. One bonus is that it's got the same battery as the X100 F, so that's a bit of an advantage. There is a facility for a motor drive. I may well get a motor drive because I have got a chunky hand, but the weight difference, that's lighter than the 24-70-2.8 Nikon lens was on its own by the feel of it. So it's really well made. So let's get the lens out now. The usual paperwork. There's the lens, complete with bayonet. Lens hood, which goes on there when I can get it on there. Yeah, very nicely. So small and lightweight, it's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Nice smooth zoom. Nothing more in the box, that's just the box. Right, let's get this on the camera. You've got to remember that the Fuji system is a different way to Nikon. The pin is actually on the opposite side, whereas Nikon is on the left hand side looking from the top of the camera, but the Fuji's on the right. Right, let's get a battery. Here's the box with all the bits and bobs. As you can see, plug for a board, the little clips to go on either side for the strap. The strap, which I will not use, I will get a third-party strap. Excuse me. I don't believe in advertising what the camera is at all. There's the little flash that goes on the top. I remember that from the XT2. It serves a purpose. It's not the best, but it works. It does the job. I will at some point get a battery for it. Battery charger. Which will be very, very handy because it will be the same plug adapter, battery charger as the X100 F. So it should be really good. So let's get that all out of the way. Get that out of the way, right. Let's get the card in. Make sure I find the right way to put it in. By the look of it, it's dot to dot. There we go. It's on. So we'll select English. Okay, pair with a smartphone. No, I don't want to do that yet. So we'll skip that. Right. Okay. Right, let's set the time. So the date is the 20th of the 18th, 2018, which is correct. The month is the 9th, and the day is the 22nd, and the time is, what is the time? 9:23, let's have a look. 23 will do. $9.23, and we're set. No memory card, insert a new memory card. Well, I'm not worried about that. Looking straight away on the screen on the back, I've got the lens on 18mm, so it's showing 2.8. When I'm zooming out, the lens has gone to f4. Very, very quick. Incredibly quick. But as I say, that is just an unboxing and a look at it. It feels very nice, but the weight, it's bonkers. It's incredible. I've still got some bits of Nikon kit left, but that, I would say, has got to be half the weight of the D850 and the 2470. It's got to be. It's incredibly light, but you can feel the build there. It's metal lens, it's metal body, it's great. So hope you've enjoyed watching this. I know I'm not the best at videos, and I probably sound like Farmer Giles, but if you want to see a few more, Have a look. And thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.